On the 3rd of May, I put out a tweet where I said I want to host an Igbo themed hangout either in Festac or Agor. Would eat Igbo delicacies, would dance to Flavor, would dance to Igochi. The tweet went very viral. The tweet raked up close to 1 million impressions. The tweet had over close to 10,000 likes, and it caused a stir. I think as at that evening, it started trending on Twitter. It was it was warmly received by most Igbos. I mean, everybody was happy. It was just like everybody wanted that particular thing, and they were just looking for a mouthpiece. And God just made me the mouthpiece to just voice it out. But then every good thing there's an equal and opposite. Something bad that'll be it. And lately there have been some tensions on Twitter with regards tribal bigotry and everything. So when the tweet was going viral, we had loads of threats from faceless accounts who were trying to mitigate against the whole thing, and they were just attacking everybody. But then there was this person who stood out, Mr. Harry Obi. Mr. Harry Obi, I think he's the brand manager for Solana in Africa, for Nigeria. Harry Obi came into my DM and he was like, Favor, if you can bring this thing you tweeted to life, I would support you with 1 million naira. And I think that was the game changer for me. That was when I knew that yes, we can actually do this, because not only did Harry Obi motivated me with words, he also motivated me financially, which is basically the basis of every good thing. Money answered all things, So Harry didn't even waste time. He sent me that money and planning commenced immediately.